Ever found yourself juggling customer interactions, sales pipelines, and project deadlines, all while wondering if there's a simpler way? Maybe you're already using Trello for project management and thought, could this also handle my customer relationships? Well, you're not alone in that thought. Today, we're diving deep into that very question. Is Trello a CRM platform? Now, before we give you a straight yes or no, let's unpack what exactly a CRM is and what Trello brings to the table. Think of a customer relationship management system, a CRM, as the central nervous system for your customer interactions. It's designed to help businesses manage and analyze these interactions throughout the customer lifecycle, with the ultimate goal of improving customer relationships and driving sales. A typical CRM boasts features like contact management, allowing you to store and organize detailed information about your leads and customers. It usually includes sales pipeline management, visualizing the different stages of your sales process, from initial contact to closing the deal. Marketing automation is another common feature, helping you nurture leads through targeted email campaigns and other marketing efforts. Customer support functionalities are also key, enabling you to track and resolve customer issues efficiently. And let's not forget reporting and analytics, providing valuable insights into your sales performance, customer behavior, and overall business health. Popular examples of dedicated CRM platforms include Salesforce, HubSpot CRM, Zoho CRM, and Pipedrive, each offering a robust suite of features tailored for managing customer relationships. On the other hand, we have Trello. At its core, Trello is a visual collaboration tool built around the concept of boards, lists, and cards. Imagine a digital whiteboard where you can organize tasks, projects, and workflows in a flexible and intuitive way. Each card can represent a task, an idea, or in our case, potentially a customer or a deal. Within these cards, you can add details like descriptions, due dates, assignees, attachments, and comments. Trello's strength lies in its simplicity and visual nature, making it incredibly easy to understand and use for a wide range of purposes, from managing a software development project to planning a family vacation. Its power is further amplified by its integrations with various other apps, allowing you to connect it with tools you already use. So, can Trello, with its boards, lists, and cards, step into the shoes of a dedicated CRM like Salesforce or HubSpot? The short answer is, not really, not in its out-of-the-box form. Trello lacks many of the core functionalities that define a true CRM. You won't find built-in marketing automation tools, sophisticated reporting dashboards specifically designed for sales analytics, or dedicated customer support ticketing systems within Trello itself. However, and this is a crucial however, that doesn't mean Trello can't be adapted and extended to manage certain aspects of customer relationships, especially for smaller teams or those with very specific and streamlined needs. Think of it this way, Trello is like a set of versatile building blocks. While it doesn't come pre-assembled as a CRM, you can certainly use those blocks to construct a system that helps you keep track of your leads and customers. Let's explore some ways you could potentially use Trello for customer-related tasks. Contact management. In a basic form, you can create a Trello board with lists representing different stages of your customer journey. For example, new leads, qualified leads, demo scheduled, proposal sent, and closed won/lost. Each card on these lists could represent a specific lead or customer. Within the card, you can use the description field to store basic contact information, notes from conversations, and key details. You can also use labels to categorize leads by industry, product interest, or priority. Attachments can store relevant documents like contracts or proposals. Sales pipeline visualization. Trello's visual list-based structure is inherently suited for visualizing a sales pipeline. Moving cards across the lists allows you to track the progress of each lead through your sales stages. This provides a clear overview of where each potential deal stands and helps identify bottlenecks in your process. Task management related to customers. You can use Trello to assign follow-up tasks related to specific leads or customers. For instance, scheduling a call, sending a follow-up email, or preparing a quote can all be created as individual tasks within a customer's card, assigned to the relevant team member, and given a due date. Collaboration on customer accounts. If multiple team members are involved in managing a customer relationship, Trello can provide a central space for communication and collaboration. Team members can be added to cards, and comments can be used to share updates, ask questions, and keep everyone on the same page. Leveraging Power UPS. This is where Trello's extensibility truly shines. Power UPS are integrations with other applications that add extra features and functionalities to your Trello boards. There are Power UPS available for connecting Trello with email marketing platforms, calendar apps, and even basic CRM-like tools. For example, you could use a Power-Up to integrate with Google Contacts or a simple form builder to capture leads directly into your Trello board. However, even with these adaptations in Power UPS, Trello will likely fall short when compared to the depth and breadth of features offered by a dedicated CRM. Here are some key limitations to consider. Lack of automation. True CRMs excel at automating repetitive tasks like sending follow-up emails, updating lead statuses based on triggers, and assigning tasks automatically. Trello, even with Power UPS, offers limited automation capabilities in this regard. Limited reporting and analytics. Getting insightful reports on your sales performance, conversion rates, and customer behavior is crucial for making data-driven decisions. Trello's built-in reporting is very basic, and while some Power UPS offer more advanced analytics, they often don't match the sophistication of dedicated CRM reporting tools. Scalability challenges. As your business grows and your customer base expands, managing everything within Trello can become cumbersome and inefficient. The lack of a structured database and advanced filtering options can make it difficult to segment your customers, track specific interactions over time, and gain a holistic view of your customer relationships. Dedicated customer support features. Managing customer support inquiries, tracking ticket statuses, and providing a seamless support experience are core functions of a CRM. Trello, while it can be used to track support requests as tasks, lacks the dedicated features of a customer support module found in most CRMs, such as SLA management, knowledge base integration, and ticket prioritization. Marketing automation deficiencies. Nurturing leads through targeted email campaigns, segmenting your audience based on behavior, and tracking marketing ROI are essential for effective marketing. Trello doesn't offer these capabilities natively, and while some integrations exist, they often lack the sophistication of dedicated marketing automation platforms integrated within a CRM. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.